Hey guys, welcome back. I am excited about the video today. We are going to be going over the GetResponse free forever plan. So I did do a previous video, just a quick walkthrough of kind of all the features. But now today we're going to take a deep dive, guys. We're actually going to go through signing up for the free forever plan. We're going to go through building out an email list so you can start collecting leads and start marketing to that email list so you can start growing your business. Then after that, I'm also going to be showing you how to create a landing page, how to create a sign up form, how to create all these different funnels to where you can actually get people to sign up for your list and you can start growing that list. So we're on GetResponse right now. Remember, guys, this is 100% free forever. You can do this all for free. I'm going to walk you through it right now. Let's go. All right, guys, we're going to sign up now. I have a link below. So if you want to follow along, jump in your computer, click on the link below. We're on GetResponse's homepage. I'm going to show you how to sign up for the free forever plan. So let's get going. So right here at the top of the screen, you can either sign up for free. There is a little ad, get your business online with GetResponse free forever. Start now. So let's start now. All right, so it just wants your name here. So you'll type your name in, email address. All right, we got that. And it does want a password. Make sure it's something you're gonna remember, but make sure it's not something someone's gonna be able to figure out too, guys. Make sure you're staying secure. And that's it. Create account. All right, guys, so it says right here to activate your account, go to your Gmail. So I have my Gmail pulled up on my other screen over here. I'm going to activate it. And give me 1 second, I'll pull this over. I do have another page pulled up. And it just wants a few things, so you need to verify your address, your first name, last name, really quick. Postal code, city, state, phone number, save and continue. Nice to meet you. Let's go to your dashboard and get it set up. Do you have any contacts? So guys, this is the opportunities if you do have contacts, email contacts that you want to load into GetResponse's system. Remember, with the free forever plan, you can get up to 500 contacts in your account for free before you have to start paying. So that's definitely a substantial amount. For now, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to skip this step. Do you have a website? Yes, I do. No, you don't. If you have a website, you can add it in right there. I'm not going to do that right now. All right. So it sets you up with the free forever plan right away. If you do want to upgrade to a better plan, you can choose your plan here. But for now, I'm just going to hit maybe later. We're going to look at the dashboard. All right, guys. So hopefully you're following along with your computer, and here's your dashboard. So it's really simple, nice and clean, easy to use. And like I said before, we're gonna dive right in. I'm gonna show you actually how to go in and build an email list so you can get people to start subscribing to your email list right away, and you can start marketing content to them. So what we're gonna do is jump up to the top of the page here where it says lists. So let's click on that. All right, so we do have the default list in here. You're just gonna get a default list. Usually it'll just be linked to your email, whatever you signed up for GetResponse with. But you can also come over here to the right-hand side, just where it says Create List. So your list name, we'll call this one Test List. And we'll say 500 because you can get up to 500 contacts and GetResponse for free without having to pay. And this is only going to be internal for you to see. Whoever's signing up for your list is not going to be able to see this, so don't worry about what you're calling it. It's saying it already exists. We'll just do test list. All right, so there we go, guys. It's that simple. So now we're signed up for the GetResponse free plan. We created a new list where we can get people to start subscribing. Next, we're gonna jump in and I'm actually gonna show you how to start getting people to actually subscribe to your list. Guys, so now that we do have the email list built, the next step is actually getting people to subscribe to your email list. So I'm going to take you up on the top left over here under this menu icon. So this is the place to do it. We do have the growth tools over here. So I've talked about each of these in a previous video. The ones we're going to be looking at today is actually the landing pages and the forms. The other one that I really like is you can create your own website on GetResponse for free. So you can go in here, create a website, and then some of these sign up forms or landing pages, you can either post them on social media, your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, any TikTok, all of them, or you can also create a website. Let's say you're blogging content, you're selling, selling something on a website. You can stick these landing pages, these forms on your website. And I would suggest you want to do this on all of the above, all your social media accounts, all your websites. Create a YouTube channel, get your content out there, and that's how you're going to grow your business, and grow your list, and then be able to market to those subscribers and have a successful business. But now, guys, we're gonna actually jump into the landing pages here. So, just to give you guys a quick breakdown of what a landing page is, it's basically like a one-page website, where you can give someone an offer, market some content to somebody. Maybe you're giving away a free PDF, or maybe you're giving away a free recipe, or whatever it may be. And then you're doing that in exchange for that person's email. So basically, a one-page website where you market that offer. Someone's going to type in their email. So now they've typed in their email, they're subscribing to your list, and then you're going to send them that email with that free piece of content that you're giving to them. So let's take a look at how to create one of these landing pages. We just have the option right here to create a landing page. So we're just going to create a new one right here. As you can see, GetResponse, I believe they have over 1,000 templates in here. On the left hand side over here, we have all the different categories. So we're just going to stick with all templates, but you can see there they have like video templates, sales templates, promotion templates. So yeah, I'm really just going to pick one right here. We'll just pick this first one, but as you can see, you can go in here, you can play around with them. Some of them might have different backgrounds, just the layout of how you want your template to look. And of course, you do have the option to build one from scratch too. So that's super simple, and then you can kind of customize it. All of them are customizable, but we're going to use this one for an example today. So you're just going to select this template right here, and we can name this. So we'll do this test list template. All right, so we have a landing page, and usually after someone subscribes, there's something called the thank you page where maybe you're selling something. This is where you can upsell something to your lead, or just a thank you for subscribing to your email list. So let's go to the next step, and this is actually going to take us into the template builder. It's really cool, guys. GetResponse has a template builder where you can drag and drop and customize everything that you're going to build within this template. All right, guys, so as you can see, it's already pretty nice looking. It's, like I said before, a one-page website where you're going to be able to market an offer to somebody, maybe give some info on something that you're an expert in. And then right here, you're going to give them the opportunity to sign up now. So I'm going to start by giving you kind of a tour of the drag and drop builder. So I'm going to move this over here. So here's kind of some of your options along the side over here. So we can create text boxes. As you can see, a lot of them are already in here, and you can just click in here and start editing. And these ones, the font and everything already goes kind of with the theme of this template. So that's one of the benefits of using a template. Everything's kind of already in a flow for you, and you can kind of just edit and go along and make quick edits in it to do what you want to do with it. So on the left hand side over here, I'll start right here. This is like a text box. So if you wanted to put some extra text up here, it's real simple. Like I said, drag and drop, but this one we're just going to get rid of. You have the option if you want to add images. Let's say, for example, you're selling a product. Maybe you run an online store, a drop shipping store, whatever it may be, and you have images of your product. There's already an image over here on the left. You can delete this one out, drag and drop an overlay, and insert your own image of what you're trying to show on this page. Again, this is going to be kind of a quick run through of the template builder. If you want, let me know, guys. Drop some comments down below. Let me know. I can do a really, really in-depth tour of the template builder of basically every option in here. But now for the sake of this video, I'm just going to kind of give you a quick run through of everything in here. So next we do have a button. So if you want someone to be able to click on something, you can say click here, and you can have them go out to another website, or it'll take them somewhere else. What else do we have over here? Video. Let's say again you're marketing a product, and you want to add a video. You can, if you have a video already saved on YouTube or saved to your computer, you can actually just pop this over, and then you'll be able to insert that video there, and then all right, now you have a one-page website with a video of something that you're marketing, and then an opportunity for those people watching this to sign up and subscribe to your list. All right, guys, so let's actually go through and build something out now. So type your headline here. So I'm just going to come in here, and I already have something I was going to type in. So I'm just going to paste that in there. So subscribe now for your free 50 keto recipes. And I'll show you later through the automation how when someone signs up through this list, they will receive an email with those 50 keto recipes. So that's something later on that I can show you how to do. So we'll just leave that as is for now. So, we can type something right here. Let's see. And if you wanted to put an image below, customize this, make it look good, but sign up below for free PDF. And then it leads them right into this where they can sign up, guys. So as you can see, this landing page acts as a funnel. So you can hit them at the top with your free offer that you're going to be offering with them, give them a chance to subscribe. And I'm not going to go through, but the more information, we're talking about keto. Maybe you come down and say keto reduces the risks of heart attacks. It helps your blood pressure, and you kind of funnel them down. And then you also give them another opportunity here near the bottom of the landing page to be able to sign up as well. All right, guys, so another cool feature, once you have your landing page built out, you've customized it, you've added everything you've wanted into it, we have this option up here on the right where you can actually preview what it's going to look like from someone else's point of view if they're actually clicking on it from, let's say you have a social media post or wherever you've posted this where people are going to be able to find it. Let's take a look and preview what it's going to look like for them. And guys, it looks pretty good. We literally didn't do that much, and it looks good. You can, if you spent 20 minutes on this, you're going to have a professional looking website with a free offer. And this is how you're going to get people to subscribe to your email list. And as you start growing that email list, you're going to start offering them more content. And that's how you're going to grow your business. That's how you're going to make sales. You're going to show people how what you're offering is going to be beneficial to them. And again, GetResponse, you can do this all for free, guys. So let's go back to this. They also do have a mobile option. So if you want to see what it's going to look like, if someone, nowadays I'm on social media on my cell phone all day long. You want to make sure your business looks professional, is represented really well online, and you can see what it's going to look like with the mobile version too. So after you've previewed it, everything looks good. There's some settings here. You can title it. Not much you need to do in here. I would just suggest we come into save right here. All right, guys, so we're ready with it now. All we want to do next is go to this next step option right here. So this is really important to tying this landing page back to your email list. So we've already titled it. So this is the test list template. You can put a description. This again is only for your personal use, so we're gonna skip that for now. Really cool. You can come up with your own URL. So subscribe me now, get responses pages. So if you go ahead and post this on, let's say, Facebook or Instagram, it's actually going to have a URL that doesn't look spammy, and people are going to click on it, and it's going to take them to your landing page. So this is really good. You can actually create your own domain. If you have a domain that you've bought, you can use your own domain as well. So a lot of functionality within this section. So this is what I was talking about earlier, guys, subscription settings. So when someone actually signs up, we want to make sure that they're going to get put in our test list. So this is important because once you start growing, you might have separate lists. Like I was saying, this might be for keto. Maybe you have another diet that you're advertising and your affiliate marketing for, or maybe you have a different product and you might have separate lists. So when you create these landing pages, you can make sure that when people are subscribing, they're going to the right list. So later on, when you're marketing to them, you're going to be sending the right content to the right people that are actually interested in that subject. And that's really important to making sure that you look reputable, and you do want to look good in front of your customers' eyes, and you should too. You should be an expert and you make sure you're doing this properly. And that's it, guys. There's some settings here when you want this actually to be sent out. There's some thank you page settings. And then there's also analytics and ads. I'm not going to go over that right now. We'll go over that later. But that's it, guys. We're going to publish it. All right, guys, we're published. Here is your link. So this is your landing page link right here. So we can click on it, we can take a look, and you can always go back in and re-edit this. So let's say you find something in here you don't like the way it looks. You can go back to your landing page editor, boom, make a quick update, and then your landing page will be updated. But this looks great for now, so I'm gonna get rid of this. So this is once you're done. If we do come back into landing pages over here, this is where you're gonna be able to see your landing page. So here it is. And then this is where you can also grab that link. So when you're going to post this out on your social media, you're running an ad with it, here's your link that you can post out there. And then this is how people are gonna get to your landing page. So now, guys, you can see we just visited that landing page and it's gonna track. We have one visitor. If someone actually goes in and signs up and puts their email in, that's where they're gonna fall under this contact list. And then if we go back to our lists here at the top, you'll see under test list, when someone signs up, that's how people are going to start subscribing to your list. And that's how you're going to eventually grow that list to hopefully many thousands of people, and have a very profitable online business. All right, guys, we're back out here on the home page. Just got done taking a look at the landing pages. Next, we're going to take a look at the forms and sign up pages. You won't use this one probably as much unless you have your own website. But let's jump in here and take a look. It's located right here, right underneath the landing pages, forms. So very similar. There's nothing in here as of yet, so we can come on the right-hand side over here and create that form. As you can see, guys, it's pretty similar to the landing pages, but a form just has different uses. It has the same goal, but a little bit different. This is just basically something where you can create a form. It's usually pretty small, and then it'll have an HTML code. This is where you're going to be able to copy this HTML code, and if you have a website, let's say you're using WordPress or something like that, you can copy this HTML code into your website. It'll post that little form maybe at like the bottom of your home page, and you can just leave a little message saying, hey, we have an email subscription list, please sign up to receive content, or whatever you want to say there. So that's basically what forms are used for. So let's go back. All, like I said before with the landing pages, hundreds if not thousands of templates where you can go through and kind of customize or use different, I know some of them are like holiday ones, so you can really customize what you want. And again, you can make your own from scratch too. So let's just pick one here. All right, guys, so we're in the drag and drop builder. I found a good example for a form. So this one is request a personal demo of our product. So let's say your company, has software and you want to demo your product to somebody. They're going to be able to enter in right here their name, email address, and then you can send them the proper information so they can get that demo. So that's a really good example of what a sign up form is used for. But in our case, you can use it to have someone subscribe to your email list. And this one's really cool too. It's just like the landing page. There's a drag and drop builder over here. So if you wanted, someone's mobile number, someone's gender for some reason, whatever you want, you can kind of customize these. Well, I didn't go through all the steps of creating that form with you, but it's basically the same as the landing page where you can pick a list. So if someone signs up for your form, their contact is going to go to that specific list. So now that we're back on the forms page, we can see our form. Here's the link to that form. And then if we come over here on the right hand side, copy form code. So this is where you're actually going to get that HTML code, or yep, this one's a JavaScript one, and you're going to be able to embed that in your website or embed that wherever you want that form to go. Everyone, I just wanted to recap what we went over in the video today. We went over signing up for the GetResponse free forever plan. We went over creating an email list so you can actually start growing subscribers for your business. Then we went over the growth tools of creating a landing page and creating a sign up form where people are actually going to be able to sign up and subscribe to your list. So this is a great start in getting started with GetResponse. In the next video, I'm going to actually go over creating newsletters and automation to where you can actually, once you start getting subscribers on your list, you're going to be able to start marketing to them. So if you like this video and you think you got some good content today, guys, leave a like below, comment down below. I will be releasing the next video shortly. Have a good night.